Hey, it's Alexa. Come spend a few days in LA with me. One of my favorite ways to start the morning is to drive into Beverly Hills and take Leo for a walk. We walked past the Beverly Hills Hotel and down Rodeo Drive. We saw this cute little dog. Everyone was stopping and taking pictures of it. Today we're headed to Malibu for a friend's birthday, and this is my outfit. It's at a winery called Cielo Farms. I've never been there before, but it looks absolutely stunning, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get there. Alpha Coffee was partnering with a skincare brand. With every coffee purchase you made, you got 2 full-size skincare products, so I had to stop by and pick those up. When I came home, I decided to take Leo for a walk at the Grove. Whenever I tell him it's time for a walk, he runs around in circles. He gets so excited. Parking at the Grove can be so expensive, and I learned about a little hack. Maybe everyone knows about this, but if you go to Nordstrom and just grab a coffee or a bottle of water, they will validate your parking for 2 hours, which beats paying for parking and getting nothing. Today I'm grabbing lunch with some friends, and this is my outfit. My dress is old from Club Monaco. I'm just wearing this bag and matching shoes. There's Leo. We're trying a new restaurant called South Beverly Grill. I've never been there before, but I'm excited to try. Happy Sunday. The weather's so nice in LA today. I decided to take a little trip up to Malibu, and I'm dog sitting, so I won't be going by myself. I'm watching Pierre. This is what I'm wearing today. I tried to find parking in Malibu to sit on the beach for a little bit, but it was so crowded. I ended up just driving into Beverly Hills and grabbing an iced coffee and just sitting and enjoying the weather. The next morning, I headed over to Dialogue to grab one of my favorite breakfast burritos. I brought Pierre with me and went home and spent the rest of the day working. Pierre, Leo, are you jealous? Today I decided to try the Tesla diner. There wasn't too long of a line this day. I got a burger and fries, and it was actually better than I expected. The building's pretty cool. It's very futuristic. There was a ton of protesters outside this day, which was not the most ideal. I ended the day at one of my favorite places, the Grove. This is the farmer's market section. And of course, I brought Pierre with me because he's been coming everywhere with me the past week. The next day, I just spent the morning on the couch with Pierre and Leo. They were having a little nap time before I had to go and drop Pierre back off. Today's Saturday. We're in Larchmont Village. I am taking Leo for his evening walk. It was a heat wave today, over 90 degrees, so I had to wait a little bit longer for it to cool down for him. So we're taking a walk in a place that we don't normally come to. Yeah, look. Good morning, happy Sunday. I'm with Leo and we're heading over to the farmer's market. I went last weekend and got a tangerine juice and I've been thinking about it ever since. I'm so excited to get one. That sounds hard. This fresh tangerine juice is the reason I came to the farmer's market. It's so good. It has these little slushy pieces in it and I crave it every week. I also got some fruit. Thank you so much for spending a few days in LA with me. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.